everyone, I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs in Brave. So if you accidentally close a tab in Brave browser, so you can quickly restore it. So as you can see right here, I have opened Brave browser, then I have a lot of tabs open right here at the top. So let's say for example, we accidentally close this, just like so. Now what you need to do is to open Brave again. So open Brave browser. So once you open Brave browser again, what you need to do to restore all those closed tabs is to press Control Shift and T. So press Control Shift plus T, just like so. So press the shortcut repeatedly to reopen multiple recently closed tabs, just like so. So as you can see, all those closed tabs was reopened, and that's it. So all you need to do is to press Control Shift plus T. If you're using Mac, you can press Command plus Shift plus T.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue.
So do that repeatedly. Now, next method, guys, is to click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then scroll down and look for history. Then in here, so find the recently closed tab or window under recent tabs. So you have here one tab, you can click restore window and it will be restored. So Control plus Shift plus T is usually the fastest way to bring back a tab you just closed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.